Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Get a sheet, just wrap it together in this manner. Further here, you just have to wrap them in this way. Then get a beautiful, lovely, pretty dress made in this form, and this is yet cool. Now get another sheet, you just have to fold them from all the corners and then split them together in this way. Now open it and unwrap the sheets and get them made into a beautiful box-like structure in this manner. Now here, with the help of cutter, you need to give it a look like this. Now get these tissue sheets arranged in this manner and keep it inside. Pretty cool, right? And you just have to do it in this way and your Pikachu box is ready. Further, let's see what are we gonna do. Get the sheet, arrange it in this form, get them beautifully secured in this manner. You have to get the lines and gently pressing it along the lines. You have to just fold them together, get a layer and press the stick. This is cool, isn't it? Now here get a sheet, wrap them together in this manner, get it arranged in this way further and you will be getting a beautiful lovely flip-flap wings of a butterfly. So cute and adorable, isn't it? Further here get a sheet and then you have to arrange it in this pattern. Now just keep on folding the sheets along the lines and in the middle you will end up getting a beautiful result. Get them secured and with the help of this you need to make it look like this. Get a box and you need to paste the roses on the top. This is gonna look so pretty. Right, you can wrap the boxes like this and you will find a beautiful ring inside. Now here get a sheet, further you need to fold it together and get it in the shape like this. Now here you just have to get the sheet, wrap them together in this way. From both the sides you need to unlock it in this manner and get them arranged into this way. Now get them beautifully secured in this pattern and your cute bunny rabbit is gonna be ready soon. This is cute. Now here get a designer sheet and what we are gonna do out of it, you just have to get them pretty, grab it in this position, get a beautiful made it in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do. Now here you get another sheet and you have to fold them together, get them tucked inside beautifully. Now here you have to wrap them together in this way and get them secured inside. You need to fill it inside and then you will end up getting a pretty lovely belly. Isn't it cool? You can get a bow on the top of it to decorate it even further. Now here get this layered sheet in this manner. Further you need to fold them together and get the lines and creases and folds in this manner and you will be getting a beautiful and lovely creation. I hope you guys have enjoyed. You guys are enjoying the video and getting it cool. Now here you have to get a box like structure and paste it together. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.